What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today I'm doing an engine bay restoration. So we are getting ready to do a engine bay clean on an Accord Coupe, and as you can see, this engine bay is not very clean at all. There is dust and dirt everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and clean everything up as best as we possibly could, and hopefully we can do it in time to be able to catch it with the sun. We'll be back here in a few. Alright, so after a quick wipe down with just water and a towel, this is what the engine bay looks like now. And again, we're not done here. We're still going to go in here and hit it with the right stuff. We'll be back here in a few. And this is the after hitting it with some water and just a regular rag. So the plan is to come back with some special brushes and whatnot, and Armor All and whatnot, and bring it to life, which I think is going to look a lot better once that part of it is done. But this is what it looks like for now. So as you can see, I got rid of most of the dust and all that crud that settles on cars. And overall, I'm pretty satisfied. So what I'm thinking about doing is making another video here when I have the proper tools to do a deep cleaning of this, to essentially make this car look spotless, really. You're going to be able to eat right off of the engine cover there. But again, I just wanted to come in here and show you what it looks like after just a quick wipe down. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to be uploading another video here as soon as I get the rest of the tools and the cleaning supplies, so I can show you guys. And I don't know whether I should include it in the same video or if I should make a complete new video once I'm done with that part of it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.